everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today it's a fajita day. Yes, who doesn't like fajita? And in today's episode I'm going to make a special fajita, which is I'm going to make combo. It's a chicken fajita and a beef fajita. So I have here 4 chicken breasts. I already trimmed them, and here I am using the flank steak. It's the Angus Australian flank steak. So let's start with the marinade first. So I have here pineapple juice, lemon juice, chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, salt, vegetable oil, and we're gonna mix it very well. And make sure you split the marinade into 2 separate bowls, 2 halves, before you start dealing with the meat. And all what you need here, just a Ziploc bag. Slide all the chicken breast in. And sometimes the chicken breast not even, so the end like it's really thick. Don't be shy with the tenderizer. Give them like a little smack. Here we go. Perfect. Now you lock it. This chicken ready to go in the fridge. And now let's work on the steak. So I did clean the steak. It was like a couple of silver tissue. I get rid of it. And the steak go in. I'm adding soy sauce to the other half of the marinade, and I'm going to save some of the marinade for the barbecue time. Try to get as much air as you can out first. Lock. And the steak go in the fridge, and the chicken is going to be in the fridge, both of them overnight, and then we're gonna fire up the barbecue. So we're gonna start with the chicken first. Lovely. And for the steak, make sure always use a different tongue. And the same thing with the steak, and the same marinade of the chicken, we add the soy sauce. And it's been marinated overnight. You can see the color change. Nice. A flank steak usually doesn't take long. It takes roughly about 2 minutes each side. But me, I like the steak for the fajita. I always like it medium well. So I'm gonna push it to medium well, so I'm gonna leave it a little bit longer. So 2 minutes, I turn it 45 degrees for another 3 minutes. And look at that beautiful mark. Now let's flip them. Look at that lovely. Look at that lovely mark. Nice. You remember yesterday we left a little bit of the marinade on the side? That's for now to paste the steak. And that's the secret for the steak to stay nice and juicy. You paste it like 2-3 times before it's finished. Voila! Barbecue time done. So now we have to rest them for about 5 to 7 minutes before we slice it. Now we're going to warm up the tortilla flour. So your stove on a medium using a frying pan. You wait till completely hot, and about 20 seconds each side. Perfect, that's what you need. And when it's ready, it goes in a tortilla warmer. It's good to have one of those at home. So now we're gonna start chopping the vegetables. Chop it all julienne. And I have here onion, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, and some jalapeno. And it all depends what you like the most. Me, I like onion the most in my fajita, so I'm making more onion than peppers. Perfect, so all julienne cut, just like that. And the jalapeno, I'm gonna slice it very thin because I want to flavor the whole vegetable. Voila, here we go. Your frying pan on a medium high, little olive oil. So all the vegetable in, and I almost forgot the jalapeno, and of course salt and pepper. Perfect, look at that. Turn off, and you can tell here I have the fajita cast iron plate as well, so I'm making everything to perfection today. So for the fajita cast iron plate, be careful, they have a special handle, always carry it, don't touch it because it's really hot. Voila, put it on the plate, and now it's time. Nice, can you hear that? And all what's missing to slice the meat and ready to eat. Look at that beautiful steak, piece of steak. Now, as I said before, when you slice it always against the grain. You can see the line going like down like this, so you cut against them. So let's slice it, and don't slice your steak too thick, just like for fajita. That will be perfect, and as I said, that's how I like my steak. Look at that beauty. So we're gonna slice all of it, and when you cut it against the grain, that's how it's gonna look like, and look how easy to break apart. The steak ready to go on top one of these cast iron fajita plate, and we're gonna work on the chicken for the second one. Let's slice all of them. Voila, chicken goes on top. Lovely. And the most important before you start serving, lime. You have to squeeze this lime to sizzle on top of everything. Perfect. And now I'm gonna show you how I eat my fajita. So start with the flour tortilla first, and first thing I'm gonna put sour cream. So spread the sour cream on the tortilla. And then second, guacamole, the onion and the vegetable. Now it's your call, you can serve yourself with beef or chicken, but me, I'm going to serve with both. I'm going to make it as a combo. Here you go, a few chicken beside it. Fajita won't be completed if you don't have pico de gallo. It's a fresh salsa. Pico de gallo goes so well with the fajita. Actually, I have a good recipe for pico de gallo. You can check it out. And some cheddar cheese. Now everybody can say cheese after this wrap. So you just fold it like this. Look at that beautiful fajita wrap. Yo, it is a finger-licking combo fajita. Chicken and beef is unbelievably good. And you know what I like the most about the fajita? Fajita always brings the family together on the table. So stay safe, everyone out there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.